Hello traders, Marcelo Torres with TradeWiser with one more video analysis for you guys on Bitcoin 4-hour chart. I didn't provide you guys with my opinion yesterday because the market was sideways and it's still sideways as we're going to see here. So far, let's see what we have for today, okay? First, I want to remind you guys that this analysis is already available in all my social networks. And remind you guys as well that my disclaimers say that this analysis is an educational analysis. It's not a financial advisory. Okay, so let's see how the fear and greed index goes on. Right now, it's on the level 54 because yesterday there was a slight move from 97.50, something like that, until 98.50, and then it dropped back to half of it, and now it's around 97.60, 97.70. See how that's going to move on. But before that, let's check that chart for the fear and greed index. Here we have it. As you guys remind from yesterday, this blue line is a resistance or a sideways move line, okay, a trend line. And I just draw today this red trend line because looks like the fear and greed index, the sentiment of the trader is going back and forth, uh, hitting on this red resistance line. So if it crosses that line, then the second test will be the blue line. So now we have this line to keep us ahead of what could go on. All right. Moving forward, let's see the market, how it's working right now. To me, it looks like it is 50-50, 50 positive and 50% negative. That's what it looks for me, okay? Bitcoin does not move from this 700 house. It has a hard time. It just goes up and goes down, but it's always right there. Let's check it, some further information. As you guys recall, I do like to do trade with Tether or USDT stable coin. I like to have one side fixed and the other side moving, changing. So if you trade with, like, for instance, two altcoins or with the Bitcoin as well, like let's say that you have a Nano and Bitcoin, both of these guys can move, and if that happens, you might have a hard time to profit from that. So I always like to have stable coin on one side and altcoin or Bitcoin on the other side. This way, only this other side will be changing, and it makes it easier for me to move. Okay, right now we have 79 matches providing a positive move. As you can see, all most of them are with the mega volume, which means that there's a lot of players playing on it. Since Bitcoin is not moving up or down, it is sideways. The best thing to do, what is? Go trade altcoins. All right. This is the hint for today. Moving forward, what do we have here? We have the Bitcoin on the 30-minute chart. As you can see, there's a downtrend channel that I draw yesterday, and looks like prices are moving inside this channel. Right now, we have a upper trend line, the blue line right there, which looks like it is respecting this line, is not crossing it down. So it gives us a symmetrical triangle right here. And if that is true, and if we push this triangle further down here, then since it got in and it is moving down, then we might go up. This is what technical analysis tells us. So let's see how that is going to go on for the next few hours. Since we need one, two, three, at least three, I don't know, 3.5 hours in order to see what is going to happen, which means we need just one more 4-hour bar. Okay? We're going to have a 4-hour bar being formed at in 30 minutes. which means when it's on the second half, on the mid of the second half of the 4 hour bar, we might see something going on this figure right here. Okay, this continuous path figure. Let's see how that's going to move on. Going forward, we are on the 1 hour chart. I just have this chart to show you guys that there's nothing going on here. It is totally sideways. And who knows, we might see a Bollinger blast, and it looked like it's going to be a negative one. So why do I say that? Because we have the relative strength index wanting to go down. We have the stochastic wanting, oh, let me fix this. We have the stochastic wanting to go down as well. We have MACD going down, and we have the blue or positive wave fading. We have the pivot saying yes, it is fading, it is going down. We have spread price going down. We have money pressure going down, and we just lost the short-term trend. Okay, it can just go down and suddenly start going up again. But if we are looking forward to see a Bollinger blast, we should keep our eyes on this right now. Okay? But as you guys saw, the 30-minute chart is the one that might be providing us some good news to see where it is going on. And if we do have a Bollinger blast, we should see prices going this way, not respecting. Move forward. Moving forward. I'm having trouble here with my mouse. Where is it? Okay, I lost all the mouse, all the mouse. Okay, got it back. Here we go. That was strange. That was strange. I just lost the mouse. I think it's my battery that's fading, so I might change that fast. Well, anyway, so we should keep our eyes on the 30-minute chart. That's the one that might give us some good stuff. The 4 hour chart just say that we might have a Bollinger blast, and it could be a negative one, since we are going down and we have some movements. For instance, let's check here. Let's draw this right here. Let's see right here. Let's see right here too. Okay. Right here on the MACD, we have a downtrend line on the MACD, which also could give us uh, could also give us. Let me draw it again. All right. And we have a downtrend on the line and on the histogram. This is very nice. In the meantime, we see prices doing what? Going slightly up. Okay. If we do the same line on the volume wave, we can see that it's going down as well. If we do that on the histogram for the stochastic, we can see that it is going down as well. We have, let's see here, yeah, we have a sideway line on the for the lines of the stochastic, which also provides us. This is called a divergence type B. Okay, the type A is this one here, and the type C is when we have the yeah. This is a uh, this is not valid. Okay, let's move it out. What else we have on the histogram? Yeah, we don't have. So this is the one we have right now so far. It is on the volume wave and MACD. I love when it happens on the MACD. It is like a lot of percentage guarantee that something's going to go on. So if that is true, oh, and considering that we do have a downtrend line on the buy sell indicator. We do have it on the indicator as well. See, I'm drawing on the right side, the top right side. So it is wanting to go down. Look like we might have a Bollinger negative Bollinger blast coming up soon. Let's see how that's going to move on. This is a 1 hour chart, so keep a keen eye right here. Okay, moving forward on the 4 hour chart. Here we are again. We still have this. this sideways movement, but it's kind of with a big spread. So I draw here a lot of support and resistance line in order to help us figure out what could go on. So if it goes down from where it is right now, we might see a 1.6 percent. If it goes slightly down, 1.7. If it goes way down, 2.5%, which is not bad. If it's a totally huge drop, we also could consider a 3.8%. So it looks like if we have a drop, we have some room, which would be a normal and a natural and an acceptable move for the prices, okay? But it won't give and it will give us a profit as well. And since we are on the 4 hour chart, check this out again. We do we did lose the short term trend. Okay, right here, as you guys can see, we just lost it, and we also have a Bollinger Band going narrow. We also have the money pressure going down. So, and we also have the volume wave fading. Let's see if we have a divergency. Yeah, on the volume wave, we do have a divergency. Let me just pick it up here. Let's draw it. Here we go. All right. So it looks like we have a divergence going on a few charts, which could give us uh, a good opportunity to trade short. Okay, so can I on the 4 hour chart as well? Mostly for the Bollinger Blast, it would be the 1 hour chart. It's going to be faster than the 4 hour chart. Let's see how it looks. We might see something. It already did a signal right here on the 30-minute chart, but we saw no move. So we should keep our eyes here on the triangle. Okay, let's keep our eyes right here on the triangle. Okay, moving forward fast on the daily chart, nothing going on. We still have the Bitcoin signing that there is a divergence going on, and it still didn't or break this divergence or take the move of this divergence. We have it all over the place, and it still didn't take place its move. So, and since we saw this divergence on the 1 hour chart, now we do have it on the daily chart as well, and on the weekly chart. Hopefully it was good. See, we do have it on the weekly chart as well. So, my folks, something should go on soon. Let's keep a keen eye on Bitcoin from now on. As you guys are maybe you guys are following, the traditional stock market is willing to go down. Let's see how it looks like right now. Let me see. Okay, we have almost an average of 0.7% negative on the United States. In Brazil, we have 1.5 negative. This move is ahead of Fed announcement that will happen on 3 p.m. UTC minus 3. All right. So let's keep our eyes on that as well. All right, folks, that's it. Thank you very much for following me here. Please like this video if it was useful for you, and if possible, follow me. It is very important and very big motivation when I see that you guys are liking, you guys are following me. So I just come up with new stuff. I'm gonna soon, hopefully, I'm gonna come up with the put and call Rachel chart. I want to show you guys what I'm thinking about it. This might give us a hint of what's going on. But what I can bring in advance for you guys is that it looks like the markets will drop because we have the expiration date for a future option on the 19th, from 10 days from now, on on the on Friday 19th, and on Friday 26th we will have the expiration for Bitcoin future. So my hint will be, if I'm right, prices on the traditional market will drop sharp, After that, they will start moving up and they will close high because people are betting on Bitcoin going high by uh, June 29th. Okay? June 26th. Sorry. All right. That's it, folks, for today. Thank you very much for following me here. And please give me your like. And that's it. With this Bitcoin moving sideways, with this possible divergency going on, now it is showtime. Take care, folks.